magic unicorn.
Hello little unicorns, it's Chilipili. Today we are going to draw a magical night sky. Are you guys ready to draw with me? Let's begin by drawing the king of bedtime skies, the moon. Our moon needs a bed, right? So let's add some fluffy cloud. Every happy moon needs a happy face. Let's draw cute eye and a smile. I love drawing. It's so fun to draw. Try to draw with me. Look, he's wearing a cute nightcap. Now let's draw our sleepy superstar snuggled up in his cozy bed. And to make it dreamy and magical, let's draw some hanging stars and heart. Don't worry if your moon or stars look different from mine. Each moon changes shape and every star is one of a kind, just like you are. So just have fun drawing and coloring. See how cute! I have drawn a small cloud at the bottom left. Come, let's make night sky more magical. Let's draw more stars and shooting stars. You can draw as many as you want. Create your own magical night sky. Let's color it. First, let's color the sky. I'm coloring the sky with dark gray color, but you can use any color you like. Let's color the clouds with dark blue color. Did you know sun is also a star? And UY Scooty is the biggest star we know, and it is so big you could fit over 1700 plus suns inside it. Wow, right? I'm coloring the star and the moon with yellow color. Did you know that moon doesn't actually have its own light? It reflects the light from the sun. That's why it shines so bright at night. And also, did you know shooting stars are not really a star? It's a tiny rock or dust called a meteoroid zooming into Earth's atmosphere. I love drawing and coloring with you guys. Please subscribe.